encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? Queen G and I are checking out. Checky. Look at the watermelon. It has grown. Isn't that cute? I know there's another one in here. Yep. Oop, there's one right there. That is awesome. Probably some more in there too, I'm sure. Just gotta find them. Wow. Jay just got home, and since I have to go to the grocery store and get stuff, I want to make some Italian breaded pork chops. I went ahead and offered to take our truck and go and take it to get washed. Because that's the kind of wife I am, folks. I'm just kidding. Car wash, check. But guess what? I was getting into the truck and then didn't realize that they had the windshield wiper going. Oh man. So now, I don't know if you see this, there's like a line right here. And then there's also one right here. So, oh well, that's all right. I didn't feel like going back. I should have, but I didn't. All right, got my handy dandy sales ad from you guys watching the day in the life. I have a few things I want to grab for dinner tonight, and I might as well just go ahead and grab the things that I already circled as well. All right, let's go shopping. Can't grab it. I got one. I'll ask him if they can grab me another one. Short people problems. I feel like I have been gone like all day just on these 2 errands. Why does it feel like that? I don't know. Although the lady there, she's as nice as a rattlesnake, if you get my drift.
kick your right. Up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Now let your right rest. Now I'm going to put the weight on your left side.
Here's the left, Mom. Cool.
Okay, now kick your left. Kick it high. Go ahead, kick. 1. Kick. 2. Kick.
3. Good.
Kick.
4.
Kick. 5. Kick. 6. Kick as hard as you can. 7. Kick. 8.
Good job, Mom.
9.
Yeah.
10.
10. Woo. 11. 12.
13.
Awesome.
14. 15. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Woo, 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 woo. How's that feel, Mom? Tired. That's good.
Okay, here's your arm weight. The ceiling, up to the ceiling. Push up, push up. There you go. 1. Again, push up. 2. Again, push up. 3.
7. 8. I'm up so I can get a video out. Welcome to foggy Bay Area in California. Yeah, that won't burn off until a couple more hours, I hope. But I do have some editing I need to get done. It's about 8 o'clock. My coffee, listening to Queen G. Hope you guys are having a good week thus far. So since she got done with her CT scan of the neck, we're here at Lazy Dogs. Go to the one in Summerlin as well. Having a nice afternoon. And we're at Costco. Check out these pies. These are so good, but they're so big. $7.99. Mini caramel apple cakes, $8.99 for a pack of 6. Look, we got pumpkins for $7.99. Dang, those are big. 2 for $7.99. Oh, look, they have small little ones. Pack of 2. Ooh, cute. For $4.99. Yep. We got Queen G, a TV. To replace the one that quit on her. So, and then Jay's getting steaks for the weekend. Of course, Queen G picked out some flowers. Can I just say, we love these fans.
Which card?
I need these for my home. Damn! since my sister is here in town, she's with Queen G right now, making sure that she gets her breakfast and do all of her morning routine. Went to CVS, got some stuff that we needed, like toothpaste and all that kind of stuff, and my own prescription. It kind of worked out good because I had to wait for them to fill it, and that usually rarely ever happens. Stayed there for a little bit, but I got everything done, and I wasn't like stressed out because I knew my sister was with my mom, so that makes a ton of difference. I'm over here at Safeway now. I want to get groceries for the week so that I don't have to worry about it during the week when it's just Jay and I. So with my sister, yeah, I'm just taking advantage of this time. Because really, if can't take advantage of family, who the heck can you take advantage of, right? All right, guys, like cereal, fruits, milk, butter. Oh, I also got cat food for the cats, and some Diet Dr. Pepper. I haven't had that. Some salad. Queen G wanted apple. A couple of snacks for the hubby, and G's coworker has been requesting some more of my chocolate chip cookies. Just dropped off my sister at the airport, and Queen G and I are just kind of walking around the nursery. Look at that. I said, my mom wants to get this one. It's a kitty cat. Isn't that pretty? It's $85 though. So I told her, I said, let's wait, go home, see what kind of coupons we have first. Oh, we're just enjoying. I need to get some Sluggo. Queen G says it's so nice in here. It's nice and warm. Look at that plant, Mom. It's just one single. Huh. Wow, look at those beautiful geraniums up there, Mom. See the red?
Is this one?
This one. Oh. So bright. It's like a real bright red. That one looks kind of like an orange rust. Yeah. They're really pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Mums. Hey guys, it is, let's see, this is Monday. It's around 2. Came home and used the Hoyer lift and got Queen G back in her bed. And within minutes, she's like conked out. So she had a fun morning. Just going out to breakfast is a very rare and fun occasion for her. So she really enjoyed going out to breakfast with both my sister and I. We dropped her off at the Oakland airport, and then as you saw, we stopped at the hardware store, and we had a fun little trip there. We got to take a look at all of the flowers in their nursery. Mom helped carry my Sluggo. We came back. She sat in the sun for just a little bit before I put her back, and then now she is just out. She's out. We had a very fun-filled weekend, and she is just exhausted. I think I'm exhausted too. I'm so behind on laundry. I'm so behind on so many things, but I did start one load of laundry, and I need to get to my mom's laundry. I'm just relaxing. I'm relaxing. I'm watching YouTube right now. I have been watching various random vlogs just to inspire and to motivate me. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm hoping by the time Jay gets home, like in another 45 minutes, I can work out in the garden. There's some things that I need to do. I need to de-weed, and I need to fertilize and then harvest what I can, and then water, and then place some lemons in the basket for our neighbors. And there is a bush out there that's just like totally overgrown, and I need to get the hedge trimmer and then trim those if I can tonight. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy out there. I'm kind of worried because summer has been so nice and we've been enjoying like all the festivities and festivals outside or in the backyard. And when winter comes, you know, the sun goes down earlier and it gets colder, and my mom is just, she hates being in the cold. So that kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of depressing in a way to think about, like, oh gosh, how are we going to entertain her? What are we going to do that we can do inside? So, I don't know. I got a couple of ideas, but if you're a caregiver, you know. Congratulations to the 4 lucky winners. Again, thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed to my channel, liked, comment, and just really supported me to grow here on YouTube. I sure appreciate it. So we're watching America's Got Talent while Jay makes his
Cincy chili.
And it smells amazing. But that's the pasta. Ooh. It smells so flavorful. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Her and I are watching America's, well, actually all 3 of us are watching America's Got Talent. I gotta set the table. You know what? That is cray cray. What do you got in your fall decor that you can declutter? Let me know in the comments down below if you've already decluttered for your fall and winter decor, or are you just starting just like me?